Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of concealed carry holsters with a focus on one of the most popular options out there for the Sig Sauer P365 series. I'm excited to introduce you to the Amberide IWB and OWB KYDEX holster. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype as the best holster for your Sig P365. First off, let's talk compatibility. The Amberide holster is specifically designed for the Sig Sauer P365, P365 SAS, and P365X models. It's important to note it's not compatible with light or laser attachments, but if you're looking for a streamlined, discreet carry option, this could be your ideal pick. What sets the Amberide apart is its Posy Click retention system. Each time you holster your weapon, you'll hear a satisfying click, ensuring a secure fit. This isn't just about holding your firearm, it's about peace of mind against accidental discharges. The holster provides comprehensive trigger coverage, with polished edges and a sleek interior to protect your firearm from scratches. Now, let's talk about versatility. Whether you prefer inside-the-waistband, IWB, or outside-the-waistband, OWB, carry, the Amberide holster has you covered. You can adjust the cant angle of the 1.75 belt clip from 0 to 30 degrees using the included hex key. This means you can customize your carry style, be it appendix, strong side, behind the hip, or cross draw, while ensuring stability and a smooth draw. Crafted from .08 KYDEX and Boltron using custom CAD-designed aluminum molds, this holster is built to last. It's waterproof, washable, and comes with tough black oxide hardware. The sweat guard adds to its durability, keeping your sidearm in pristine condition. What's more, it's proudly made in the USA, reflecting top-tier quality and craftsmanship. For those new to concealed carry or seasoned veterans, the Amberide holster offers peace of mind. Its robust build and adjustable design ensure both comfort and security. Whether you're in everyday situations or more tactical environments, quick access to your firearm is crucial, and this holster delivers on that front. So, should you consider the Amberide IWB and OWB KYDEX holster for your Sig Sauer P365? Absolutely. With its Posy Click retention, adjustable cant, and durable craftsmanship, it stands out as a reliable choice for concealed carry enthusiasts. Plus, backed by a lifetime guarantee from a small business in the USA, you can purchase with confidence. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and informed with the right gear for your needs.